Hello. Name belong me, Emmy Stephen Hall. Na mi amamal song sit down one time you na open Bible, na study him Bible one time. Also na yumi ting him. Body belong me, em heart belong body belong Christ. You got one him ting long display. You got one him meaning. You don't want him body belong me, emi lapun now. Or body belong me no got strong. Or body belong me, emi long pala, or short pala, or fat pala, or young pala. Man, body belong me. I think emi no enough come up half belong body belong Christ. Below one him emi ground em belong ground tussle. That's what thing him again. Time Jesus he come emi yet emi come inside long one pala body. Emi yet emi come inside long body one kind all same you me. Now look him. How much num one walk God he walk him inside long body belong Jesus or he give him this walk. He come lo you me below one him Jesus he come up one pala man all same you me he got body one kind all same you me. God he no not make him all this below walk. Suppose Jesus he no come up body. Time Jesus he come up body emi not long cut him sin below you me. Time Jesus he come up body emi not long rouse him sick below you me. Time Jesus he come up body emi not long bring him you me hand up one time Christ he go long place one time him. That's all number one something. And me join him, you me long body belong in, blow you me can kiss him, all get a life, all get a marry, all get a good pull of something God, and me like you me sabi kiss him. Also him na, musky down him body, musky thing him body, and me something nothing. Body, and me big pull of something long I belong God. But I mean God, yet he come up one pala man, belong this pala ground, and me stop inside long body. Now God emi no lose him this pla. Emi no ting him, okay, me come inside long body, enough long time me stop on this pla ground, now behind me go back in, and me come up spirit tussle. No God. Time emi go back in long heaven, emi lose him you me, he go end up inside long body belong in. Now time emi come back, and by come back inside long body belong in. Em number one something. Now you me must ting him. Body blow me, and me got number. Body blow me, God he mark him, and me place where he can come up house holy belong Holy Spirit. Body blow me, and me place where Mary belong God, he can come out, now he go lo narapla mano Mary. Suppose you me prayer, you me have prayer inside long spirit, that's all time you me go make him one pala help him, but on one pala mano Mary got sick, now you cut him kai go long in, bless him. Display you sabe walk him inside long body below you. You no sabe sit down and talk. Aye, me got some like kai belong sick barata below me. Now me sal him long spirit. Spirit you kiss him this like kai go. No God. You sabe him in long. No God. You yet you san up. You pass him all this like kai. You sit down long car, now you drive, you go, now you come long place, you go out long car, you come long house, you talk hello, God bless him you. This fella kai me like me walk him below me hard him, you got sick, now you know got strong, now me like help him you. Em now, body belong Christ, and me walk. You one pala half belong body, you make him walk belong Christ inside long body below you. True to much. How much walk, or how much something you me sabe make him, you me can make him inside long body belong Christ. You me can make him long body below you me. Now display bless him body belong Christ. Now you know bless him all Christian that's all. All hidden too in up. Hard him talk to below you. Or kiss him good full of something you give him long all. Or you show him marry long all. Or you forgive him all. Or one him kind something he come up on display ground. Long place where you step long in. Display him in up long. Bring him marry belong Jesus. Now power belong Jesus. Now all good pull of something belong Jesus. You not come long place where you sit down long in belong him. You yet you have belong body belong Christ. Must keep him. Body belong Christ him something belong spirit tussle. Amy belong this black ground in salong spirit tussle. No God. Em true, Amy stop on this black ground altogether. Now body belong Christ. Amy got spirit belong Christ inside long in. That's all on place where you sit down, you bunna meet. Now you got spirit and soul, he sit down inside lo you. Now you 3-1. Body, soul, spirit. Na you in up make him this below walk belong Jesus below on him. You been give him body belong. You also him offer belong God. Now ting him this below Romans chapter 8. And me talk also him. Me talk him clearly you play. You must give him body below. You play also him offer long God. You mean no talk. You give him spirit below you. Also him offer belong God. Or give him soul belong you. Also him offer belong God. No God. And me talk. Give him body below you. Below on him. Below on him, body below you in place where walk long God, he can come up. Now, Bible study below you me finish. God bless him you. And me good for a time below sit down and study him Bible one time. Suppose you like him this for Bible study, you can like down below. Or you like behind him, you can click follow. It has been good to talk with you today in this Bible study. God bless you. And if you'd like to ask a question, leave it in the comments below.